To create a textile and to do it well and flawlessly here at Knoll takes 12 months. When you say that to someone, they're almost shocked. They think, well, why does it take you 12 months? The design process for me begins with a lot of research, books, fashion, art, travel, finding all of these ideas and just sort of putting them together, studying it for a while. Living in New York is really special. It's all about color and texture. Anything that's around the city can spark an idea to become a pattern or a color scheme. The Icon fabric, I used one of my favorite sources for inspiration, which is fashion. I looked at a dress that Karl Lagerfeld designed for Chanel, and it was really all about the sleeve detail. I took that idea, did a very simple drawing, selected the mill, and it evolved after a few translations into a final product that became Icon. I think we want to sort of give the mill as much as possible so we get enough choice. Once we finalize the product, we choose the exact colors that we want to see cross both warp and weft. Goes back to the mill, then the mill creates what we call the blanket, which comes in for us to review all colors. And that's where the carefully edited selection takes place. It's a beautiful idea in terms of many, many colors relating to each other. There are probably 1,000 choices for us to review. Sometimes we look at a blanket for 1 to 2 weeks before we start cutting and choosing the final colorways that'll end up in the line. This looks really nice. I also think this one coming up could be really interesting too. We base the final color choice on clarity of color, clarity of the pattern if there's a pattern involved. So there's sort of this whole process of questions that we go through. Recently, they selected a few of my designs for the permanent collection at the Cooper Hewitt, which is obviously a huge honor for me personally and for the company. They chose a mix of standard product, things like typography. They also chose a few luxe products, one of them being Jaipur. Knoll Luxe is different from Knoll Textiles in a few different ways. It's more about choosing the different fibers and the different mills that allow us to create something a little more unique, where with Knoll Textiles we might use polyester. With Knoll Luxe I'm able to use cashmere and silk and linen materials and fibers that just allow it to state that it's special for the line. At Knoll Textiles we have to continually strive to lead and put the best possible products out in the industry. I think clients look at us to tell them what's going to be the next idea, and that's challenging but at the same time exciting.